Hi everyone, this is Melissa, artist in residence with Imagine, and this month we're teaming up with Waffle Flower Stamps and Dies, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you a fun project today using a stamp set called Always by Waffle Flower. And I'm actually starting with a piece of Bristol Smooth paper cut to an A2 size, and then I'm going to be using some Fireworks Sprays in Summer Sky, New Sprout, and Angel Pink. And these are three of the lightest colors of sprays, of fireworks sprays that Imagine offers. And I'm simply just spraying those in a striped pattern on this piece of paper. Now, what you see me do at this point is realize that I should have put the pink next to the blue and the blue next to the green. Oftentimes when you use sprays that are opposite, or colors that are opposite of each other on a color wheel, which pink and green kind of are, then you'll get a muddy color. But I want to show you how wonderful these sprays are. I do remove some of the excess fireworks spray, and then I go ahead and take my Angel Pink and I just spray it on there and dry this as fast as I can with my heat tool. And you can see, because of the colors that I chose, the very light colors, I'm getting a beautiful pastel effect. And as a matter of fact, that New Sprout and Angel Pink did not turn muddy in the margin where they touch. So that worked out great. I think if I had tried to add more spray and mix the colors, then I would have gotten kind of a muddy appearance. So this is the stamp set that I'm talking about. This is the Always from Waffle Flower. Isn't she adorable? She's holding a little bird. This is the artist for this stamp set is Flora Waycott, and I happen to adore her images, and you can find a number of stamp sets at Waffle Flower from her. So I'm inking her up with Memento ink, and I'm actually stamping her on a piece of Copic friendly paper because I will Copic color her. That's why I chose the Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And I'm using my stamping tool because oftentimes when you have a large image like this, you're going to want to ink it up twice. So I will actually do that with the Memento Tuxedo Black, and I will be inking her again. Now you can see that the panel that I've stamped her on is already die cut, and that set is called Lacy Layers 2 from Waffle Flower, and I simply used the kind of the mid frame. Actually, it's the second to largest to cut her out so that I would have that beautiful lacy edge to this image. So I'm actually going to color her and set her off to the side, and now I'm taking the largest die in that Lacy Layers 2 die set and cutting out that fireworks sprayed panel. And I love this size. It's perfect because it gives you a little bit of, for an A2 size card, it gives you a little bit of an edge when you put it onto your card. So I want to show you that. So when I layer this on top, you see how I still have that nice white edge to the card base. I love that. I think that looks really pretty. So I've colored my little girl in Copics, and I've used VersaFine Clair Nocturne to stamp Love You, and that Love You is also in this Always stamp set. And I apologize, my camera was not on when I stamped that, so I just wanted to make sure that I took the time to tell you I did stamp that in VersaFine Clair ink, and it works beautifully with the sentiments provided in the Always stamp set. So now I want to adhere the panel to the card base, and I'm just using my Tear It tape. You guys know how much I love this Tear It tape. It's a double-sided adhesive. If you're new to crafting, it's perfect because you don't need some kind of ATG gun, and it's nice and quick. You just peel off the backing, and I fold over the ends, and then I'll adhere that to my A2 size card. If you're not sure what an A2 size card is, that's a 4¼ inch by 5½ inch card base. And I'll adhere that, and now I just want to adhere the last panel, and again I'm going to use that Tear It tape again to the whole back side. Tear off the backing and then fold over the excess tape, and then I'll adhere that to my card panel. That's a simple project for today. The fireworks create a beautiful soft background. I matched my Copic markers to that soft background on this beautiful Waffle Flower Stamp. So make sure to check out Waffle Flower and Imagine. You could win a $50 gift certificate. You have to remember to comment on the videos this month. Make sure to subscribe to Waffle Flower, subscribe to Imagine, and you'll have a chance at a $50 gift certificate. You have to leave comments, 1 comment per person per day, and at the end of the month we will announce a winner to Waffle Flower and to Imagine. So make sure to check that out. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for joining us today.